Hi guys, welcome back to my tech channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new mouse case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let's have a look. So first impressions, it's minimalist and sustainable packaging, which is really prominent with the green colour of the packaging. It is cardboardy packaging like the new Pixel Pro packaging as well. They all seem to be changing to this kind of style. I'll just show the label. So this one is the Limitless black leather case for the Pro XL. Live without limits. So let's have a look inside. Nice simple packaging. And here's the case itself. So this one is the black leather, and inside there's the AeroShock feature from Mous, and then it is lined with microfiber, and there's also MagSafe inside. So if I put in my phone, so there's a nice fit. The camera module is pretty secure and precise fitting. It doesn't actually add too much bulk to the phone. You can see there's some grooves here for extra grip. And we have the power button and two volume rockers on the side, and even a loop for the band. It's nice. It's also made of polycarbonate and TPU and TPE materials. Feels really solid and definitely seems like it will protect your phone from any unfortunate drops and falls. We also then got the screen protectors. So this is the two glass screen protectors for the Pro XL. Just see what's inside the box. So, fun fact, worldwide nearly 2 phone screens break every second. Okay, so you got a cleaning kit. A little support for placing your phone. And then the two screen protectors itself. And just a user guide then. So have a look at one. Jeez, it's very thin. Just a cutout then for the camera on top. I'm not going to put this on the phone just yet, but I might do another video of that. So that's pretty much it for the case and the screen protectors. I also have a referral code. If you are interested in buying any of the Mous products, you'll get 20% off your purchase, first time purchase. I'll leave that information in the description. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.